Next stop on our little adventure here is Purakaunui Falls. Even though we are down in the middle of basically nowhere, we're still stuck in traffic.
Look at this small one, he's so cute.
So what are we doing now?
Cathedral Caves.
It's on private land, so you actually have to pay $5 each. Not too bad.
You've been there before, you don't have to pay again.
Yeah, it's true. You've been here before, don't have to pay.
Wasted your money.
Yeah, I know. Shut up. Well, we've just made it to Curio Bay, which is our next spot that we're planning on camping at tonight. And instead of being up high on a cliff, now we're just kind of sheltered in some tall grass.